Transport groups reiterate their opposition to the proposed phase-out of old passenger jeepneys. Instead, they support the PUJ modernization program. Sweden Velado filed this report.
Vibrant and with heart-thumping music, it is known as the King of the Road. More than 500,000 jeepneys are registered and traverse various routes in different areas of the Philippines, thus considering it as one of primary modes of transportation by the public. But we cannot deny that many of these public vehicles are already old, and due to lack of maintenance, it results to smoke belching that affects not only the environment but humans' health as well. The Department of Transportation and Communications recently proposed phase-out of old jeeps 15 years and up.
Ang hinihingi po namin ay magkaroon po ng mga bagong jeepney sa daan at ginagawa din naman po ng gobyerno para matulungan sila na makabili po ng mga bagong sasakyan.
Many transport groups oppose the proposal because 90% of jeepneys in the Philippines would be phased out and thousands of drivers and operators will also lose their livelihood. However, the Pasang Mazda group clarified that while they are against the idea of phasing out old jeepneys, they welcome and support the PUJ modernization program.
Papayag lahat ang membro ko, ang hanay ko, na mapalitan yung lumang jeep, palitan ng bago. Yung alternative fuel na programa ng ating pamahalaan. Ano-ano ang alternative fuel? Electric jeep, electric vehicle, 100% LPG engine fed, at saka yung Euro 4 brand new engine. So alin man sa tatlo na yan, pwedeng mamili ang mga operador. So kami ay mahigpit na tumututol sa phasing out. Modernization, yes.
According to DOTC, jeepney drivers and operators need not to worry because the program includes provision of guarantee fund for those who are interested to avail loans to purchase a brand new jeep. In their initial proposal, DOTC asked for a 600 million peso budget for the guarantee fund that aims to assist 1,800 beneficiaries on the first year. The agency also emphasized there is no final order yet with regard to the phase out of old jeep because DOTC is required to submit first its financing terms for jeepney operators and drivers who wish to get loans.
At this point po, it's still draft DO pa rin po to, but we're leaning towards po voluntary muna 2016 and then mandatory siya 2018 pa. I mean 2018 pa sila kailangan magpakita ng bagong sasakyan sa LTFRB sa pagrehistro.
Both the government and transport groups are hopeful they could come up with a better program suitable and helpful not only for concerned stakeholders but the environment as well. For the People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.